Meet Grandma Rose, avid gardener and matriarch of the Jones family. Since getting her ProPad, she's been able to spend hours in her garden free from the pain of aching joints. This is her son, Robert, plumber by trade, mischievous by reputation. Robert loves to be helpful to his mother, but he also loves her ProPad. It's multifunctional, so he can use it indoors and outdoors for all kinds of home repairs or any job where he has to kneel. This is Robert's wife, Kate, a young mother and a master in the art of misdirection. Kate loves that ProPad is water resistant. It protects her knees from the hard tile floor, is easy to clean, and dries quickly. ProPad provides maximum protection and features extra thick, high-density, water-resistant foam. It will not tear or compress over time and will last for years to come. Its lightweight design and carrying handle means you can take it wherever you go. And the best part, it's multifunctional, so if you have to kneel, ProPad will quickly become your most indispensable tool. ProPad, so popular, you may need more than just one.